Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making some coffee creamer because I am definitely in need of some creamer. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. There's only 3. I'm going to be using some half and half, some condensed milk, and some pure vanilla extract. And of course, you're going to need a mason jar, okay? So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is come with my condensed milk. And I'm just going to pour it into my mason jar, okay? And I'm going to help it with a spoon because it is thick and it'll take forever. Okay, just make sure you get all of it out. Now that we have all our condensed milk inside our mason jar, I'm going to come with my half and half and I'm just going to pour it in. Just like this. Now I'm going to come with my pure vanilla extract. And we're going to add that as well. Okay. And that's it. We're going to come in, we're going to mix this really well. So what I'm going to do is just put my cap. Look at that. And we're just going to mix it until everything is well mixed, okay? So maybe like a minute and a half to 2 minutes. You want everything to be well combined. You see how you still have the condensed milk in the bottom? You don't want that. So you need a lot of strength for this. Okay, so we're gonna mix, and we'll be right back. Guys, so I still shaking this for 2 minutes. And look at how everything is nice and blended. So now we're gonna make the coffee. Okay, guys. Okay guys, so my coffee is ready for my creamer. And again, I will have the ingredients and the amount and everything that I'm using in my description below. And just look at this, look at this. Woo! Look at how good that looks. And it smells so good. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please leave them below. And if you have any recommendations, what you would like to see next, let me know. And reminder, this is good for up to 2 weeks, okay? Remember that. This will be gone within a week for me. So, but yeah. So guys, thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.